Alright, so guys, Samsung's Galaxy Note smartphones are some of the most exciting phones to look forward to every year. They combine the best hardware specifications with Samsung's everlasting S Pen accessory. In the past few years, the Galaxy Note series also had some of the most interesting and colorful designs. The Samsung Galaxy Note 10 came in an Uraguru color, which was one of the most iridescent and trippy colors I have ever seen. And now, thanks to the Samsung's own website, we now have our first official look at the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. So guys, Samsung has accidentally posted the official image of the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra in mystic bronze color, and oh boy, it looks beautiful, way better than what I thought it would look like. It's the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra because you can see a periscope zoom camera lens. The back looks exactly like the leaked CAD renders, by the way, including that massive camera bump in the top left corner that is home to several sensors. So guys, as universe, here the screen protectors of the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Both the Note 20 and Note 20 Ultra will have a punch hole cutout, but the difference is the hole diameter is going to be 1 millimeter thinner than the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Not only that, but the bezels all over the front will be trimmed down compared to last year's Note, increasing the screen to body ratio even further. Ice Universe also shared this image, which gives a clear indication of the relative sizes of the two models. The Galaxy Note 20 Ultra has a bigger camera module because it's the only Note 20 variant that sports the periscope zoom camera of the up to 50x and 100 megapixel camera. The Note 20 on the other hand will feature camera specs similar to the Galaxy S20 Plus.